Oh, we are started. Sorry for that. It's just I'm a CD mode fan, so I have to. You will meet any CD mode fan. Trust me, they won't be like they won't be just quiet. There will be those raps going in their head. 1995 में हाँ आकर खुली देखा मैंने क्या माता जी भी मेरी थी कवा सारे लोग सासे था मैं बोले ये तो लड़का नहीं मानेगा. Let me just connect you and me together. Let's go. Okay. We are connected. Hello. Back again, people. How are you? Why you don't have work, job, anything? Just for watching this live stream, you have to be free from 11 to 7. Right? 11 to 7 you have to be free if you have to know each and every of the live stream. I'm not saying that this is bad or something. You should come on the live stream. You coming on the live stream makes us happy. We happy will make you rich. That's the thing. That's the cycle we are playing over here. Same like the market plays a cycle. Market makes these big people, the big whales rich. They make the market rich. And who struggles? We struggle. It's just like that same thing. Like we never know when is the jackpot gonna come toward us. Like if someone's jackpot, like if we are, it's just a position where we are landing. Are we in the minority? Are we in the majority? Because those people, the big whales, they actually target the majority because they need the maximum amount of liquidity for the market. So wherever will be the majority of the trade, they will take care of that. And we have seen the same thing. Like it can be two different things. Like the supply zone has been hit. The supply zone is very strong at the up zone and we have seen a drastic fall. And it is making one more move toward down. But I am not pretty sure that it is going to be. Because I can see one demand being on the downstairs. A very good strong demand being made over here. So I'm just hoping that we are just see, this is that demand. If I just point out that line for all of you people. Okay. Yeah, see, exactly at that level the market has taken one demand and it is again trying to come. Maybe from here we can see that it is gonna tap into that demand zone. Maybe little go deeper from that zone and then go shoot up again for 12. Because see, if we take just one ideology of one thing that in 2025 of Jan, we have seen the market reach the highest level and from there it was just sudden drop. Sudden drop we have seen. Maybe now that market has created its all-time new high. So maybe we'll have to wait. Maybe the same situation will happen. Maybe the same situation won't happen. Let's see what is going to happen. My highest thing is because right now, see, all this stuff is notifying us that buy pressure is good. Even though right now we are having a drastic fall down, which is the supply zone has been hit over here. But still, I still believe that there is still the buy zone left. Maybe this is the second attempt of the macro strategy to take the second investment. Like I told you, they don't invest everything all at once. All is not happening. They invest in part. They invest in 1, 2, 3, 4. So this may be like right now, again our market has came to that same exact level of 107. Why? What happened? What happened to Bitcoin? Yeah. I don't want any of this. Again, our market has again came to 107 thing, and from there we can see maybe the market again have the next investment for the big whales. So let's just hope. Let's just analyze our market. Let's just define the perfect supply and demand zones. Okay, then we'll go. Then we will go. Then we will go. 1995 में हाँ माता जी भी मेरी थी गवाह. Let's go on higher time frame. 1 hour. In 1 hour, a strong bro. There is no strong supply zone, bro. This is one, but at the same point, can you see the demand candle over here and just a small supply candle and a demand candle? You will see there is so much of difference between, even though from there we have went up, but still considering the demand is bigger here. But let's just like recent one, let's just try to take the recent one right now. I will make one rectangle from here to here. Okay, this has become a demand zone because from that zone we have actually taken the demand. Like market tried to come over here, from there it shoot up in the demand zone. Maybe it will come more down, like at least this point or maybe this point, and then it shoot up. Okay, still let's just see, this is one demand zone as well, a good demand zone, which is respected by this. The big candle respected this demand zone, which is created from, see, this is that one. This candle, a very big candle, we got on the next candle that has created a demand zone, and we can clearly see consolidated a little, tried to collect a lot of liquidity over here, went up, came down for another liquidity and shoot up. Again, it was not satisfy, came down, again shoot up. This has been, maybe if we just look it into that scenario, okay, this would be the first investment. Let it go up, came down. This would be the second investment, went up, came down very suddenly, and this would be the third investment. Third investment, the market sustained there. Market right now coming down. Maybe this is a chance for the fourth investment. How much can you divide $2.1 billion? Because they said they are going to invest $2.1 billion. Okay, so how much, how many parts can you divide $2 million? How many trades can you take? How many? If we get that exact number, then we will know how many times the market will pull back, retrace and all those things, so we can find our best entries. 1995 में माता जी भी मेरी थी. Sangeeta, hi. Hello Sangeeta, welcome to the live stream of the CheezyBit and ZBit platform. Thank you so much for joining this. Really appreciate it. I hope you are learning everything, whatever being is given in front of you. So let's just, today maybe we'll make a good amount of profit. Maybe, yeah. Not a surety, but there are high chances. Should I tap in for this? Because this is looking like a demand. But our market gave an early reversal here. Why there has been an early reversal over here? But this is a higher time frame demand. Okay, this is a higher time. We will go into, and this is our supply zone over here. I will just supply zone. Yeah, fine. Recent one. Let's grab the recent one. Let's not take that much brain out of our head. Recent supply zone, recent demand zone. Okay, 1995 में माता जी भी मेरी थी गवाह. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna take this. This is a supply zone, but see, the greatest supply zone has a chance to become the greatest demand zone. Have that thought. It's not a good one, but still have that thought. It's at the same point, bro. It's not the thing, but it is just like exactly at very same point. This was my previous one and this is my recent one, so it is fine. It's fine. Early reversal I'm hoping, because the market has not even close to my demand zone, so I'm trying to make it as much up as it, so that I can calculate my entry, my position. Okay. There is this emoji, or you are this or this. I guess this is the emoji. This is the emoji. This is the emoji, and there is rain as well. Okay, so it's raining. It's raining. Yeah, in India it's raining. In Dubai it is very hot. It's very hot in Dubai. It's very hot. Just feel like we should carry a refrigerator with us, or like let's be in the refrigerator and roam everywhere. It is that hot, that hot. I feel like I'm melting day by day. Every day I'm melting a little bit. It is that hot in Dubai. Very hot. Why it was tapped before? This is intriguing me. See, one thing is there which I am also hoping, but I am not feeling okay with this. Like, see, I will explain. Market went up. Market had a great demand zone, which you take it from here. After that, market came down as well. Okay. Then again, from the same point, the market took a demand. Not that big, but a little bit. From there, we can see a very great up. So I am hoping this is also the level which is actually interacting with our recent low. Recent low has been interacted with this level, this demand zone. Even though it has taken the demand from this is the original, this is the OG. But this can be the new one from where the market actually tapped. Or should I wait for market to actually, like for example, let's make it in different color. Okay, different color will make it. I want to make this has a demand zone. Okay, I want to change the color into, let's go yellow. No. Let's go blue. Bro, what about the filling color? I'm filling color should be sky blue. It is not visible really. Okay, got it. Yeah, see, this is the new supply zone. New supply. This is that was the old supply. The market is respecting the new one right now, not the old one. Because according to it, it should have came down. I'm not saying that there is not possibility. There is a possibility. But what if? What if an early signs of going up comes? Which we can see in 5-minute time frame. The market took demand from here, went up, now it is again going down, and even before that it is again trying to go. So my highest price and bid is that market has created a new supply zone, new demand zone. This is a new demand zone of the market. But it will come down. Eventually it will come down. It has to come here to go up here. So just a second. This is, I don't want yellow. Sky blue is, should I have, sky blue is fine, I guess. More light is fine. This is the, this is the old one. Okay, I'll make it a little dark. Cool. This is 2 in the 5-minute demand zone. Let's see our 5-minute demand zone. Bro, Okay, according to our 5-minute demand zone, the new demand zone is on the basis of, was on the basis of this, but 1 hour is not looking good enough. सारे लोग बोले ये लड़का नहीं मानेगा. Five minute. Can't see a 5-minute demand zone, like worthy one, which is worthy to be called as a demand zone. Not like more than demand. I can see only red being bigger over here. The sell pressure I can see at this point, which making me very hard to find the demand zone. Let's go a little back to find it then. This can be one. This is actually that one. सारे लोग सीधा में बोले ये तो लड़का नहीं मानेगा. Let's figure out some things. Oh, sorry. Okay. All that done. But yaar, this is getting confused. Like I am getting that demand zone on 1 hour time frame. Let's go little by little. Let's just not jump into this scenario. See that this is that 1 hour demand zone, but we cannot find it in the 5-minute, and this is becoming a little bigger, and our market is not near anything. So let's just go little by little. Let's go 45-minute. In 45-minute, can we see a demand zone? Yes, we can see a demand zone which is created by a hammer candle itself. See, this is that demand zone which I am saying. This demand zone is been created by hammer candle by itself. By hammer candle. Okay, a good demand zone created. Do we need the previous one? Are we in the need of the previous demand zone? What do you think, people? In 45-minute, actually I can't even see a demand zone. Supply zone, yes, which is broken. That is true. This can be this. Okay. In 45-minute, we change the scenario. In 45-minute, we cannot find a demand zone. 45-minute is more for a supply zone, but there is a very small demand zone over here, which is right here. Yeah, see that candle, and this is the demand. Sudden demand rise, sudden. So this can be one thing. This is the recent one because it had a major swing. It went up, did a little consolidation, fall down recently. So that's my idea. What if? But it is not taking. No? That is the thing. Right now the market has become very slow over here, and more rather than going for the downside, it is going for the upside. This is an original demand zone which was created. Again, it got tapped in and then it got shoot up to our made a newest high over here. You can see it from 104. We were in 104 situation. 107 was tapped in multiple times. Yeah, this was that 107 tapped in multiple times. 170 tapped in, made a crossover, took a resistance, came down and take the final demand to go and make an all-time high. So let's just put it in the name, an OG, original demand zone, 45-minute. 45-minute original demand zone. This is our original demand zone, the pink one. Okay. Now let's go for the blue one. See, blue demand zone I'm making on the basis of this candle. It came extreme down from there. It went a little up, not that much. It tried to take a demand from there, but I am not going to consider that candle. I'm going to consider the hammer red candle, which signifies that here the seller actually lost. The buying pressure were too much. That's why it created a hammer candle. So I'm going to take a demand zone of that rather than of the previous one. And considering this, it is very small. So actual win or actual siding of a buyer happened at this point. That's why I'm going to consider this as my demand zone, which is a new actually, because at that time we can clearly see right now here the market has taken a dip into a demand zone and went straight up. Again, like I told you, a longer wick represents that the market came down, which had what? Which had the seller's pressure a lot. But due to the demand zone, the buyers put the market up. And right now we can clearly see a little green candle, little greenish hammer candle can be seen. So buying pressure has came according to the candle. So that's why I'm naming this as the new demand zone. New. This is the OG. This is the previous, like the new one. Okay, same 45-minute. Or should I go and research a little, because I can name it anytime. Okay, fine. Right now, new demand I will say. New demand which made an all-time high. Okay, this made a new all-time high. ADH. I'll also write all-time high. ATH means all-time high. Okay, this was the demand which created, like OG demand created that thing, but still. The market is going up, market is going up. There has close was at 1089, open was at 1089.55, 108, bro, 1089.55, 599.63, 108.599. Okay, fine, 0.01. That is not a gap of opening. I thought it's a gap of opening, but it was not a gap of opening. Cool. Not an issue. Okay, this is OG. The blue one, I will just mark it a little, okay? Yeah. The sky blue is the new demand, and the pink is the 45-minute OG demand. Cool. And this one is our strong supply zone. Cool. Okay. I just want to go and check it this thing in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, everything looking the same. Strong supply zone. The demand zone over here is kind of changing, but kind of. Such a opposite thing happening in two scenarios. This is making me confused over here. See, can you look at this candle? This candle has a longer upper wick, justifying what? The seller pressure. Okay, seller pressure. And if I go on 45-minute, it becomes okay, that was that candle. It becomes a hammer candle, longer lower wick, justifying what? The buyer pressure is there. Which side should we look at? I think I'm looking at the wrong. I just want to mark it with an arrow. This is that candle. Let's see this candle there. सारे लोग से थामे Let's go in 45 minutes. Okay, it's this candle, not the next candle. Okay, cool. I can take this. But in 30 minutes, we cannot find. See, the OG demand is there, but not this one. I think it will fall again. It hasn't touched the OG demand zone. It cannot create a demand zone out of nowhere from here, because that is only at 45. That too, if you make a logic, then it becomes a demand zone. All the clear indication is toward this guy, this small guy only. आदतें भी मेरी तिकवा Mira, hello Yash, can you check Ethereum as well? Obvious, why not? But let me just figure out my BTC for right now. Okay, let me just figure out my BTC. I will come to Ethereum, don't worry about that, but let me just figure out my BTC. Why it has taken a demand over here, I'm confused regarding this. This should not be happening at that point. Hello Rajdashinamlai, hello, welcome to the live stream of the gzbit.com. GZBit platform, not .com, sorry. This new one is intriguing me. Let's go a little more down. 15 minutes, sorry. In 15 minutes, can I see something? Hi Yash, why? What kind of font is that? Why it is so small? Is it small in just my laptop or everywhere it is small? It is not even. What? It's not even Yash, it's Wash. Hi Wash. It's not Wash, it's Yash. Okay. My name is Yash. सारे लोग सस्ता में बोले ये तो लड़का नहीं मानेंगे. I'm sad, so it's a small. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? What happened to you to become a sad person today? The market gave us all-time high. We should be happy. Why you are sad? Did you place an order for a sell side? or what? Why you are sad, transition? I'm like, I would want to know. Where is the market? उन्नीस सौ 95 में हाँ this many candles are compiled in such a short time, in a such a see, in the 5 minute there is nothing in the 5 minute. What happened, Rajdarshini? What happened? Did someone stole your milk? Okay. For now, we'll believe it. For now, we will just believe it. Okay. For them, this is where the originally market. I just wanna see. I just wanna see where is this line heading toward. What I can find in this line. If you look in this way, market took a demand, came to retrace and retrace at that exact level to give us a little high. Original, new. Original, new. Original, new. I found out that my boyfriend is cheater. It's fine. It's totally fine. Boyfriends can be cheater. That is not an issue. Why you are sympathetic? That is an issue. If he cheated, fine. Leave him. Why you have to sulk on that cheater? That is an issue. Whoa. The market took this. Creating a new demand. It's going up like crazy, bro. And it has created that W pattern as well. Hoping for people to enter over here or what? A lot of people might enter over here, then it fall down, and then we go up. Is this your idea? If this is your idea, what's up, Johan? What's up? Welcome to the live stream of the Cheezer platform. This is that neckline where we have seen a W pattern. I don't know why, but if I just go, it is being created as a fair value gap. According to fair value gap, this was the new block. Internal block. Internal. fair value gap has been created from the bottom. If it taps, we should actually go, but I don't know why. Feeling like a trap over here. Feeling like a tap. Instinct is telling me to think in a tap. Every achievement is a step closer to your dreams, so proud of you and your hard work and dedication. Thanks, Johan. Every achievement is a step closer to your dream. It is. I am gonna be Monkey D actor. So proud of you. Thanks for all this. Ramisha Ghosh, hi. Raj, I curse your boyfriend to go bald. Why? Why he has to lose his hair? Why? Why can't he just be normal? Why can't you move on? Move on, Rajesh Namlai. Move on. Okay. They deserve such things. In your dreams. My fair value gap has been tapped, so I'm hoping the market will go up. I know I have done a very rushful instinct, but just looking at this scenario, see, fair value gap created, tapped in, came down. Fair value gap created, tapped in, came down. So I'm just hoping in that way fair value gap has been created, it has been tapped in, and it will go up. This can be the complete wrong scenario, but at the same point, I am hoping that it won't be a complete wrong scenario. They deserve such thing. I am moving on. Good for you, Rajesh Namala. I hope you find someone like me. That smile on your face says it all. Yes, I am free. I am free now. Yeah, like I like you. Never. You just don't like a guys who does streaming. That's the thing I feel. Why do I have to suffer hell? It's fine, yaar, Rajdashanamala. It's totally fine, yaar. Like, come on. Like, grow up, bro. Grow up. Arey yaar, I knew it, yaar. I knew this would happen to me. Rajesh Namalai, why do I have to suffer in hell? Why can't you suffer in hell? You deserve hell. It's you. Don't call me shorty. You are more shorter than me, I feel. Be a big person. I am being a bigger person over here. Move on, Rajesh Namalai. Move on. You have that opportunity over there. Okay, move on. You don't have to be this curseful witch. I knew this would happen, yaar. I knew this would happen. Still I did it. Still. I can see the... Bro, there is something in my eyes, okay? There is nothing. There is something in my eyes. What was your boyfriend's name, by the way? Who is not with you anymore? Who left you? Cheated on you? Did so harshful stuff? May God bless you. अपने दीवाने का 1995 में, हाँ, माता जी भी मेरी थी गवाह। आंख खोली देखा मैंने क्या, सारे लोग बोले ये सांसें थामे ये लड़का नहीं मानेगा। I took a wrong trade, I got trapped, I told you this way sell, this is a W, they will trick every people to buy over here, they will come down and then they will grab their liquidity. And me stupid followed this scenario over here. Couldn't see the bigger picture. Rameshwar, good job! Thank you so much Ramesh Pawar for joining this live stream. Good job. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay. It's gonna tap and this is how liquidity grab happens, by the way. Okay. See, 1 time, 2 time, went up, broke the neck, W pattern created at the neck. It gave you a very big candle to lure you. This is a trap to lure you. And then from there, they will take it down to hit your stop losses and have such kind of losses. Okay. So these are the things which you should be aware of. Even though I knew it, I tried my luck. I tried my luck. Highest possibility, as this is a kind of a demand zone, a big candle, this thing, maybe market will come, tap in there, or maybe market will go to collect the original one down here. 2 scenario, either this to this or either this to this. Two scenarios in the market. Let's check which scenario will come true. And by the way, all the people, I have an announcement to make. We are going live in the different timings right now. Okay, so right now I can see a lot of people are here. So for all of you, I would suggest to hit that bell icon so you can get notified whenever we go live. Okay, and if you want to know the legit timings will be from 11 to 1 will be Nida, 1 to 3 will be me, 3 to 5 Nida, 5 to 7 me. Got it? Okay, so these are the different timings for the live stream which you should know about. Okay, it will be 2 hour live streams. 1995 में हाँ माता जी भी मेरी थी गवाह, आगे खोली देखा मैंने क्या. Nilesh Rathod Shindri, good job. Yash, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nilesh Rathod from Shindri. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining this live stream as well on the GZBit and the Zbit platform. And trust me, our platform is gonna be soon there on the live, the Zbit exchange, where we will start trading and we will be having so much of early bonus benefits. Okay, stay tuned. La 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 la. डाउनटाउन में लगी आंख. मेरा दिल लग गया ऐसा कंजर मारा सीना मेरा छीन के गया. Okay, early bonus, early demand zone created. Nice to see early demand zone. मुझे लगी आग साला फील ले गया. Same scenario, I've entered over here. Not this. I have entered over here. People can enter over here. I have 1:1 ratio I can have. Let's just complete 1:1 ratio first, okay? And we'll hope for the more. I'm just having this feel of 1:1 ratio. Let's just complete our 1:1 ratio. This is the entry point N3. Okay, for all of you people, this is the N3 where I've taken entry already. I'm in a minus right now, but soon I will touch over there. Dinesh Kumar, Shendri, Yash, good. Thank you so much, people joining from a lot of different places. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. I appreciate it a lot. Please make sure that you are liking, sharing and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. This is my entry point. I feel this is my target, temporary one. Okay, this is 1:1. I'm hoping to get 1:2 because that's the peak it can touch. So let's just see. And to be very this. That was the neckline, and we can see one thing, a new small demand zone, a very new and small. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Another hope for the people, another hope for the people. Dinesh Kumar. I had an option, I had a chance. You go up and I'm gonna exit this trade and I'm gonna start it again. That's what I'm gonna do. ऐसा खंजर मार हसीना मेरा. Let it go up. The time it becomes $10 now, I'm going to exit this trade and I'm going to start it from the starting, because I know there will be a lot more times where it will come more down and then shoot up. So to be on the better place, I want to exit. Yes. 120, and that's enough. Okay, I exited the trade. But you don't have to. I exited because there are some uncertainty which is there in the market, and I don't want to be in the 5,000 plus. I have 174. We had 174 plus. That's a good thing. When did we had a loss? Whose loss is this? When did we had a loss? Huh? See, again it came down. That's why. Not entering right now. But maybe we'll enter. Maybe scenarios. Downtown में लगी. When did we had a loss? 2 days ago, 1,000 loss we had. Really? Are you sure that was me? No. मेरी गली में आता जाता रहता ना तू. 0.5. We are having a good entry. 0.5 is a very golden range for the Fibonacci, and we are having entry at that point. That's good. That's good. dun, 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 dun. We still haven't gotten that signal. Okay. ठीक है. Confusion created over here. A double top pattern, neck break, buy over here. They went, but then they gave us a sell signal. From that, slowly, now we are rising. So if you can just see, this would be the first wavelength, second, third will be little bigger, and fourth, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere like this, something like this will happen. Third will be little bigger from here, fourth will be comparing to over here. Fifth, 5 waves in the market. You can enter over here, okay? You can enter over here. The point I've told you, that was the exact entry point for you all people to have. Okay? I was not feeling that trade, so I didn't enter. I exited with $175 profit. Other than that, it's fine. डाउनटाउन में लगी आग, दीवारी मेरा दिल ले गया, ऐसा खंजर मारा सीना मेरा छील के गया, मेरी खील वाली हील ले गया, ऐसा लगी आग, ये तो फील ले गया. Okay, if this is tapped in like this, we will enter. Let's just hope that similar like this, the fair value gap has been created over here. Similar fair value gap taps in something like this, and then we enter. Re-entry in the trade. Come on, re-entry in the trade. 2 fair value gap we have seen. 2 fair value gap. Re-entry in the trade. This is your first moving target. Second target, you can keep it somewhere. This would be the final one. 2:2, but right now, just keep it 1:1 ratio. Not 1:1. This is the target. 1:5 for right now. No. Little down. Little more down. I am at buy. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Little more down. Little more down. I'll buy, bro. I'll put the buy position. Little more down. Divari. Divari. Let's take a little retracement. Maybe more retracement we will see. One more retracement, at least let it come to here again. It will fall back. Fall back is gonna happen. That's why I didn't enter in the trade. I knew something is off here. Something was not as it should be. Market is not taking the demand properly. This was the new demand. Then it created its own demand and all. So this generates trap psychology inside the head. So it didn't went up to the target. Eventually it will. Okay, you don't have to worry. Eventually it will. But right now, sudden supple. So many days. Also, who are relatives? What is talking about? Hello, Gaurav Ingle. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Like, follow, subscribe. Shaolin! Shaolin! Tarara, 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 shall we do? What shall we do? I should learn magic or something. Some magic tricks for you all people to get you entertained. Because we all know, like, watching the market is a little boring. Like, you have to just keep watching. It becomes a little boring kind of stuff. So, let's see what is gonna happen. I found one. Nothing. Na 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 nothing. Na 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 na. Consolidation phase. But this signal is here after so long time. If this is late, then what's the point? What is the point if this signal will be late? Because I applied this signal a long way before. It didn't show me this that time. When the market is right now here, then it's showing me this missed. Oh, is that the name? Is missed reversal levels? What's the point if I'm missing it? What is the missing? Consolidation in the market. Consolidation in the market. Decision making scenario happening. Decision is being made. All fours are equal right now. The buyers, the sellers. Who wins this fight? Where will this go? Where will this go? ಮಂಡ್ಯಾನೋ ಚಡ್ತಿ just need a little water. Okay. Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go down? What does the future holds? But I didn't expect it to be this small, because I expected the 5 waves should be like 1. Okay. 2, 3. It's kind of 4 and this will be 5. I expected it to be a little up, not this, a little up. Retracement and going up, that's not an issue. The issue is not able to see the proper target. Consolidation or a demand builder. Demand builder won't look like this. This is kind of a demand builder. If you can just understand, demand builder means making a block going this part. This is a demand buildup. This is not a demand buildup. This is something. Confusion. Shaolin. It's a tough competition right now. One green, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red, and that too not showing any signs of weakness from both of the side. Slowly we are gradually going down, but at the same point you can see the size of everyone exactly same, strength same, volume same. Red is little bit high, but still same, everything same. डाउन में लगी आग. दीवारी मेरा ऐसा खंजर मारा सीना मेरा, मुझे लगा लगी आग. साला फील ले गया. Okay, let's get into it. Is this gonna be the same green, red, green, red? Hoping to be green over here. Let's do a quick buying. It will go up, it will touch here, and we will have this small profit. Let's have small profit. My take profit, I will keep it here. Take profit, bro. My take profit, I will keep it here. That's all. Very small profit. That's where I want to keep my take profit. And my stop loss somewhere. I don't want to keep my stop. I don't want to keep my stop loss, bro. Bye. My take profit somewhere here. Yeah. Small candle. If you are showing me the pattern, green, red, green, red, green, red, I'm hoping this is green, very equivalent size. So very sophisticated target I have kept for that size. Let's go. We'll make money in every candle. Or maybe this is that candle which will give us a change. Is this gonna be a changing scenario? 2 minutes are left for us. Can it touch our target? 421 target. 420. 420. Let's keep 420. Let's keep it 420. I don't want 21. 420. Exact 420 I need. Modify order. Take profit. I need. I don't know, bro. In this scenario, right now it is 100 and let's increase it by, let's say, 70. How much it becomes? No. How much is it right now? 420. 421. What? Nine. How should I make it 420? I want to make it 420, bro. Maybe 2. Maybe 0. Wow. Still, guts, bro, guts. And we have a profit. $400. First was 175. Now this was 461. Okay. 2 profits. 175, 461. 491 actually. 420, 419. Yeah. This is our profit till now. Okay. Let's just go for sell in the next candle. Because we know next candle is gonna be a red candle. So easy to play. Sell. I put my sell order already. Put it already. Already a sell order has been placed by my side. This is my take profit. 334 rupees is my take profit from there. See, getting that profit, 334. Come on, that's all we need. 334. But I can see one thing, that the red is gradually increasing, so I can increase it and make it 420. I guess 423 is the profit thing, but let's just modify it. Let's make it 1. Let's see if it becomes 420. Why? Okay, I should not increase, I should decrease it. Increase it for 69. No, 410 is too much. What's up? 410 is too much. I think let's make it. How shall I make it 420? I wanna make it 420. Modify 69 to, let's go for 5. 65. Is this gonna work? 417. Very close. 417. From 417, let's make it 64. 60. Okay. More close. Let's make it 89. Why? Okay, sorry. Let's make it 00. 420. Come on, let's go. That's my target. $420. 420 USDT. Let's go. 420. I don't want more. Just 420. 420. Come on. 420. 420. And it is done. So easy, bro. So easy. So why it is so easy? First 175, 419, and now 420. This is the overall profit of mine today. Overall, it will become how much till now? Let's see how much till now. 14, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 8, 9, 10. 114 is my profit today. 1,400 already in the account. Already. We'll have some more as well. See, 438. How 438? It was at 420, right? And this was at 419. 175. This was minus because I deleted the trade. 433, 438. So whatever our minus is already been covered, and we are already in the profit. Okay, let's go. Let's make more trades. Single candle trades. What can be the next? This candle has 40 seconds. Is it gonna change the ritual of not being the red candle? Because till now we are doing trading on the ritual itself, like green red. Right now it's a red. It should close and add that to at least till here where our target was 420 target, somewhere around here. If it becomes some different candle, then we won't be having that thing. Yeah, come on, Kimonachi. Shit. Oh shit. Buy pressure is there. Buy pressure is there in the market. Are we gonna start to have a downtrend now? What do you think? What do you think? Are we gonna start to have a downtrend now? What do you think? Because our series has been broke. Green red series. Hammer candle came. Now it's heading toward down. Come down, grab the demand. Now how many demand is there? This looks like a demand. Exactly. Big candle, small red candle behind it, demand. This is the new demand, all-time high demand, and this is the OG demand. OG gave birth to the new demand. Okay, this is just there. I'm not having that much hopes with this, but it's just there. डाउनटाउन में लगी आग. हारा नहीं, हारा नहीं, हारा नहीं, हारा नहीं. जो सीखता है हार से वो हारा नहीं, जलता है आग से वो तारा नहीं, जलता है आग से है तारा वही. पिघलता था आशिकी में सारी दिन. तेरी मेरी छोड़ी हमारी बात है. हारा नहीं, हारा नहीं. पिघलता था आशिकी में सारी रात. तेरी मेरी छोड़ी है हमारी, हमारा लगाव है, हमारा खाब है. तेरी मेरी छोड़िए हमारी बात है. What's happening? What's happening? Let me just get into it. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Consolidated market. Can't help right now scenario. Until and unless we break this. Until and unless this the square is broken in some way. In some way the square is broken. In some way the square breaks, and then we can have something maybe on the upside, maybe on the downside, but the square needs to be broken. Right now we are 109. Where do you think the square will go? It will break something like this, or it will break something like this. These are the two scenarios for it to break. Yeah, the third scenario is there. This box will be extended, but extension is, I don't think extension is possible at this point. Overall to yes, in if we see it in hourly wise, yes, in R we are having a consolidation. We had a came down and the market is right now again trying to go up, but it is consolidating in the lower time frame right here in 5 minutes. After coming down it is consolidating. Now the big player waits here for the majority. Where will be the majority? Majority will be with the sell or with the buy. Wherever it will be, majority will be with the sell. Obviously it will try to tap in one up, grab the majority over here and then tap it down, and then give the original way, like from the demand zone it will try to go up. That's the original way. Let's see. Last candle. We'll witness a last candle. Let's see if we are having the majority play over here or not. Dum, dum. Last 5 minutes, people's last 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's see where it is going, how it is going. Let's see where it is going, how it is going. Hello, Sarvajivni. Welcome to the live stream of the Cheesy platform. But in 3 minutes, I am leaving this live stream. 5 to 7 is my live stream timing from new. 2 hours. 2 hours in the afternoon, 2 hours in the evening. That's all. Nothing else. क्या बोलते पब्लिक बोली तो तकलीफ. Nothing. East or west, yes, bhai is the best. Sheesh. I have to write shish. This time I come back, I have to write shish. Bas, got it, Sarvesh Jimne. I got it. I got it. Do not continue that statement. I got it. I got everything. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Appreciate. But do not complete that sentence. Ha 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 ha. My majority of chances, I am feeling 80% that market will come down to take demand and then shoot up. The market won't directly go to shoot up. Trust me. I'm having that feeling. So 80% I'm hoping here and 20% I'm thinking that it will directly go shoot up. But 80% majority time I'm thinking that market will come down, tap into its demand zone and then go up. Okay. So thank you. That has been my time today for today. Thank you so much for everybody who have joined this live stream. And yes, the timings have changed. You have to cope up with the timings and every of those things. Okay. So yeah, really much appreciated. But before leaving this live stream, I just want to tell you this one very simple thing. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you are a new part of it, trust me, do not enter directly into the advanced level where we are doing the live trading. Go from the starting where we have made a whole roadmap for all of you people, from beginning, like being the basics of the trading to the advanced level of the trading. So if you are a new people on this platform, please go and check out those live streams so you can be on the same pace where I am right now. Okay. So thank you so much for today. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Same place, same timing tomorrow. Okay, cool. Bye-bye. Tomorrow I will come by 1 to 3. This is my first live stream and the other live stream will be by 5 to 7.